If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. After that wick rejection and dump, I bet you're not expecting a bullish update from me today. Guys, we need to see some key levels being maintained, and we're going to see exceptional bullish signals that cannot be ignored forming on the daily quant chart. The higher the time frame, the more accurate it becomes. And so if we're seeing this signal form, wow, you've already seen it in the title, so I don't know why I'm being so secretive, but we've got a potential golden cross looming. That is between the 200 and the 55. We need to see it cross over to confirm the uptrend. Some other cryptos that we've seen this on are the likes of HBAR many months ago, back in November. I say many months because we were talking about it in October time when we pushed into this area and confirmed this 20 and 55 bullish cross of support, further breaking out of the 200 EMA. But that doesn't mean anything, guys, because we need to confirm this breakout by spotting the golden cross. And boom, just there we essentially saw that, and we just range above that point, and then we break through and continue higher. Look, we were within the golden pocket where the reversal wave is created, and then we topped out in the last couple of days at the 1 Fibonacci. So it's important to see the signal flashing. Another example is V-Chain, where we saw the golden cross form after breaking the 200 EMA. Breaking the 200 mean doesn't mean anything. Yes, it's potentially a newly formed uptrend, but we can get thrown back. Best examples are in the past where the 55 failed to cross the 200. We were above, we did break out, we were all bullish, but because we didn't see the crossover, we couldn't confirm this breakout to get that continuation. Eventually we saw the golden cross, and look at the pump since confirming it as support, guys, peaking out about 60%, right now 50% up. So it's exciting times ahead for Quant, bearing in mind that we see the crossover and it confirms as support. So yeah, it is a bullish video, so I bet you weren't expecting that one. So now zooming into the Fibonacci's, we can see we have created the reversal wave, and the title of yesterday's update was like retest of the golden pocket or retest of the reversal wave, something like that, I don't remember. But today's title, as you've seen, this bullish breakout has confirmed the reversal wave. It's also confirmed this previous double bottom as support. So what we can see over here was previously a double top pattern, which we were suggesting if we go ahead and lose this neckline, we're going to put in a deeper correction to about $90. Now, very quickly, and this is what we see in bull markets, we see these bearish patterns form, and they can of course break out, but a lot of times we may not meet the pattern's target, or if we do, it will very quickly reverse and continue bullish. Where are some good examples of this? Well, think of the bear market. How many times did you guys spot bullish patterns and then keep on failing and failing? You're buying it, seeing a double bottom, you're buying it, and then it's just going down. It's completely the opposite in the bull market. We're going to see these bearish patterns, and they're either going to work and then reverse very quickly, or they might not work at all. So this is the M pattern that we of course previously saw. We broke out and very quickly reclaimed that level and confirmed it as support, invalidating that downward scenario to $90. And with that, you're flipping this M pattern into a double bottom over here. In the second bottom, you've also got another double bottom. So multiple bullish patterns were forming after, of course, reclaiming the neckline of the previous bearish pattern. So the bearish pattern flipped into a bullish one, and yesterday we essentially came back to the neckline of the pattern. Can you see that? And then we came back for support and we confirmed it. That's why that's in today's title. And we've also held above the reversal wave, keeping all of these targets to the upside intact. So we did peak out at the 1414, $120, and meeting the 618 at $120. Now, we know we have targets around the $130 mark. Today, the Fibonacci is a little bit different, give or take a few dollars, so 127. So I would take it as a $5 area of support, 125 to 130. Sorry, an area of resistance, my apologies. So going forward, that would be our next technical target, but we need to see the golden cross form for the confirmation of that. And then, of course, if that is being maintained as support, we're also holding above $103, which is the 0.5 Fibonacci, keeping the reversal wave intact for eventual continuation higher. We don't need to dump down into there, as we've confirmed the double bottom as support. Sorry if you can hear Abby, she's just arrived and the dogs are going crazy. So essentially, now we don't need to lose this key level as support. We just need to reverse from this point, but it would be fine to actually lose it as long as the 0.5 and the potential golden cross holds as support at $103. So it's this $5 area of support, which is between 103 and 108. And then as long as that is being maintained, we're looking for a 125 to 130. Sorry about that, guys. Abby just arrived and was shouting. The dogs were going crazy. So I'm now going to finish this video off with the 4-hour time frame. So let's head over to the 4-hour to look at this a little bit clearer. So where we were saying we need to find support on the 4-hour time frame, the 200 EMA is pretty much there now. On the lower time frame, it was around the 103 mark, but this is on the 4 hours, slightly above that point at around the 105 area. So we just know that there's a lot of support within this area, again, 103 to 108 as the box or area of support, pretty much from there to there. So going forward, as long as this is being maintained, then we're looking for that continuation higher. Right now, we haven't lost this low. So I'm going to place my fibs from the high to that low. If it is, of course, lost, then I have to change these fibs and these become invalid. So right now, if we can confirm the 55 as support and reclaim the 20, then we're potentially creating a small double bottom over here, just like that, if we're reclaiming the 20 and the neckline being the 0.5. So we need to break that to validate the pattern itself, and then to get to its technical target, you need to break through the golden pocket over here, 115, and that would create the reversal wave where we're looking at 124, 126, and 130 as our technical target. So we already said that on the daily, but now we've got further proof, further confluences for why we're targeting and calling this a $5 area support. Guys, this was already marked out there, and I did not use these fibs before this video update. It's incredible to see that we have further confluence in this area with these new sets of fibs exactly on the line that I drew, on the area that I drew. That's it from me today. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Let's hit 7.5k if you want to get educated by myself so you can predict the market and of course take profits as well. Then use the links down below to private message me or take action on the website. Cheers everyone. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about, or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls, or if you want to take action on my 6-hour long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.